Good afternoon, students. So yesterday we did this chapter, the good turn explanation. I hope you have gone through the PDF. You have read the chapter also and understood the story also and the moral of the story also. So now coming to the exercise part, and first of all we'll start with word meaning. So first word is spoiled. Spoiled is bad. Like here it is used. Sheena turned a spoiled child. That means she has turned into a bad child just because her parents used to love her a lot and they used to fulfill all her wish. That's why she has become a spoiled child. Quarreled, put up a fight. Quarreled is when we have argue with someone or we have a fight with someone. Dominate means control. When we control someone and direct someone to do something, whether it is wrong or right, but we control or direct someone to do that particular task. Incident is happening. Whatever, like incident here it is used as Sheena's mother was telling about. No, sorry. Sheena told her mother about the incident which was happened at her school. So incident is happening. Whatever has happened, we are telling to someone. Like it can be known as episode also. Two words can be used for incident. It is happening and episode. Now shrugging is moving in gesture and indifference. When we give negative gestures, when we don't want to work or when we don't want to do a particular thing which has been asked by our elders, then we give some negative gestures of our body, like nodding our head and saying no, and or sometimes we nod our shoulders also saying no. So these are the negative gestures. In we want to show that we don't speak words, but we, with the help of gestures, we tell the front person that we don't want to do that particular task. So moving in gestures of indifference, that is in negative sense. Dumb is quiet. Someone who's dumb is who's not intelligent enough and who's dumb, that is quiet. Scolded means rebuked. Scolded means when someone scold us, and rebuked called hard words, like mama, when mama or father or anyone at home, when she scolds us, the particular person use hard words while scolding. So scolding is when someone use hard words. So narrated means told. Narrated means telling a story, or narrated a story means told or tell. Okay. Appreciated means admired. Like when we finish our work and we write a good handwriting, that particular time teacher or the parents admired us, that means they appreciate us for doing a good job. So admired is appreciating. Humiliating means shameful. When we do something wrong and we have got the punishment for that particular time, we feel shameful in front of everyone. So these are the word meaning you need to learn. These are the important word meaning, I should say. So learn them and write down. First of all, write while looking at the book, and then later on learn, and then again write. At least write 5 times all the word meanings. Now coming to the exercise. Choose and tick the correct answers. So these questions and these exercises from the chapter itself, if you have gone through the chapter, then you will be able to answer these exercises. Sheena's parents used to fulfill her every need, demand or wish. It was wish. She used to wish, whatever she used to wish, they used to fulfill all the wishes of Sheena. Now Sheena grew up to be proud, selfish and polite, foolish or rude. It was rude. She turned up to be a rude girl. So Mia was a dash girl, intelligent, simple or angry. Mia was simple girl. Mia was a simple girl. Sheena had a dash with some students. Quarrel, argument or fight. Sheena has, I think quarrel is used here. Both the words have been used, but with her students she had a fight, not quarrel. Quarrel is used when she used to quarrel with her cousins. So here it is fight. Mia helped Sheena in cleaning the dash. House, classroom or stairs? It is classroom. So these are the 5 exercises related to tick the correct answer. So again I'm telling you the answer. Sheena's parent used to fulfill her every wish. Sheena grew up to be a proud, selfish and rude. Mia was a dash girl. That is simple. Sheena had a dash with some students. Fight. Mia helped Sheena in cleaning the classroom. So these all questions are out of the story only. So you need to read the story, you need to understand the story to answer these questions. So coming to the next exercise, which is fill in the blanks using the hint box. So few words have been given to us which are the hint words, and we need to put them below in the sentence to complete the sentence. Sheena was the only dash of her parent. Sheena was the only child. So first one is child. Her neighbors used to call Sheena a dash child. What they used to call her? They used to call her spoiled child. So coming to the next, Sheena started dash her friends. Sheena started losing her friends. So third one is losing. Now Sheena used to dash Mia. What did Sheena used to do? She used to dominate Mia. So fourth one is dominate. Sheena dashed to be a good girl. Sheena decided to be a good girl. So these are the hint words which we have put all in the sentence, and they are giving a complete sense to the sentence. So again I'm telling you the answers. Sheena was the only child of her parents. Her neighbors used to call Sheena a spoiled child. Sheena started losing her friends. Sheena used to dominate Mia. Sheena decided to be a good girl. So these are the hint words which have been given and we have put in the sentences. Now coming to the next exercise, write T for true and F for false statement. Sheena loved to share her things. No, it is false. It is false. Sheena didn't like to share her things. Sheena's mother was worried about her behavior. Yes, it is true. Her mother was worried just because Sheena was not ready to share her books or toys with her cousins and friends. Mia was a simple girl. Yes, true. Mia was a simple girl. The teacher scolded Mia for fighting. False. No. Teacher scolded Mia just because Mia was didn't do her homework properly and she made lot of mistakes in the homework. So this is false. Mia helped Sheena when Sheena was punished to clean all the classroom. This is true. Yes, Mia helped Sheena when Sheena got punishment just because Sheena got the punishment because she had a fight with the student. So this is true. So again I'm telling you the answer. It is Sheena loved to share her things. False. Sheena's mother was worried about her behavior. True. Mia was a simple girl. True. The teacher scolded Mia for fighting. False. Mia helped Sheena when Sheena was punished to clean all the classrooms. True. So these are the true false which we have finished. Now coming to the next one. Answer the following question. This I'll do, first of all I'll do the other leftover exercises and then at last we'll discuss the question answers. So we are coming to the next exercise. Later on we'll discuss these question answers, but I'm finishing with the exercise first of all. Circle the words having wrong spelling. So now for doing this exercise we should know the spellings, the correct spelling, then only we'll know which is the correct one and which is the wrong one. So behavior. Now behavior spelling is Behavior, but here it is written Bihavoir. This is wrong spelling. Dominate spelling Dominate. This is correct. Punished spelling is Punished, and here it is written Pani. So this is wrong. That's why I have circled it. Querulous Quarrel. This is correct. Narrated spelling is Narrated, and here it is wrong spelling. And dump spelling is Dump. So to know the correct spelling, to circle the correct one or the wrong one, first of all we need to learn the spellings, then only we will able to answer this spelling. And now coming to the next exercise, which is make sentences using the following words. Now here we have been given few words, we have to make a sentence using that particular word in between. So like wish, I wish to be a teacher. So this is what I have made the sentence. You can make some other sentence like I wish to be a doctor, I wish to travel, I wish to finish my homework on time. So these are the different sentences you can make by using these words, the word which has been given. So coming to the next one, this is noticed. My mother noticed me fighting with friends. So this is the sentence which I have made. You can make some other sentence like my mother noticed me while I was dancing in the room. Or you can write I noticed some people were fighting on the road. So these are the small sentences you can try and write. Coming to the next one, selfish. Sheena grew up to be a selfish child. So this is what I have written. You can write some other word, you can write many people are selfish. So you can write this also. Then coming to the next one, dominate is control or direct. So you should not dominate others. I have written this sentence. You can write what, Sheena used to dominate Mia. You can write this sentence. And then coming to the last one, humiliating is shameful, when we feel shameful. So it was very humiliating for me to be in punishment in the classroom. Or you can write it was very humiliating while cleaning the classroom for the punishment. So these are the different sentences. There are so many sentences you can write by using these 5 words which have been given. So use these words and try and write some other sentences. This I have written for you so that you get the gist how you can make the sentence, but you should try and write yourself few sentences using these words. 5 words, different words have been given. First one is wish, second is noticed, third is selfish, fourth is dominate, fifth is humiliating. So use these words to make sentences, small sentences you can make. So now we are coming back to the exercise, which is answer the following question. We are discussing the questions, and one more thing, that I'll upload PDF of all these exercises along with the question answers which are handwritten in the app, that is Snap Homework. You can get all these things over there. You can get the chapter also over there. You can download the PDF. You can read the chapter from there. Then only you will be able to answer the questions or answer the exercises also. So you need to go through the Snap Homework, and then only you will be able to learn these question answers. So coming back to the question answers, we are discussing question answers now. So first question is, so starting with the question answers, this is chapter 2, the good turn, which we have already done explanation. Now we are starting with the question answers. How do Sheena's parents love her? These questions are already given in the chapter, so don't think that I have made these questions. They are given in the book itself. So I have written the answers for you. How do Sheena's parents love her? How do they love her? Sheena's parents loved her by fulfilling all her needs. Or you can write Sheena's parents loved her by fulfilling all her wishes. You can write wishes also. You can write needs, or you can write wishes also. WISHES. Okay, you can write any one of it. Like Sheena's parents loved her by fulfilling all her needs or wishes. Write one. Okay. What did Sheena's mother notice about her? What Sheena's mother noticed in Sheena? Sheena's mother noticed that she was not ready to share her toys, books, etc. with others. Sheena has become a spoiled child just because Sheena's parents used to love her a lot, and they used to fulfill all her wishes. That's why now she has become a spoiled child, and now she is not ready to share her toys and books etc. with others. This is what Sheena's mother noticed in Sheena. Why did Sheena start losing all her friends? Why did she start losing all her friends? Due to her bad attitude, Sheena start losing her friends one by one. Just because Sheena was having a bad attitude, that's why Sheena started losing her friends one by one. Coming to the next question. What changed Sheena's behavior? Now, what had happened that changed Sheena's behavior? The story narrated by her mother about kindness changed Sheena's behavior. I think you have remembered the story of Aunt and Dove, which Sheena's mother narrated, so that she can get the moral out of the story and she might change. With the hope that Sheena might change, her mother narrated a story which was about kindness. So but the story helped Sheena and she took a lesson out of it and she has changed her behavior. So answer is, the story narrated by her mother about kindness changed Sheena's behavior. Now coming to the last question, what do you learn from the story? So what we have learned out of the story, moral of the story is we should be kind, helpful, polite, and should have sharing nature. So this is what we learn out of this story, that we should always be kind, helpful, polite, and should have sharing nature, so that others admire us and they love us. So these are the 5 questions which I have written for you. So I'm again revising it for you. How do Sheena's parents love her? Answer is, Sheena's parents loved her by fulfilling all her needs or wishes. You have to write one out of it. What did Sheena's mother noticed about her? Sheena's mother noticed that she was not ready to share her toys, books, etc. with others. This is what Sheena's mother noticed. Now, why did Sheena started losing all her friends? Now everyone knows after reading the chapter that Sheena had become a rude, a selfish girl. So now what had happened now, because of her bad attitude, the attitude she was having of not sharing anything with others, this had made her a very spoiled child. So what had happened then, whosoever used to become her friend was not ready to be with her for long time, because she was not having a good attitude with her friends and cousins also. So this is what, due to her bad attitude, Sheena started losing her friends one by one. So she has lost all her friends because she was not behaving properly with them, as she was not having any kindness towards others. She was not ready to help others. She was not polite. She used to use rude words with others. She used to fight a lot with others, and she was not ready to share anything with her cousins and friends. So this is the reason her bad attitude towards others had made him all alone, and she started to losing her friends one by one. What changed Sheena's behavior? So Sheena's mother was very tensed. She was very upset that her child is becoming very rude. She was not polite and she is not ready to help others. So what Sheena's mother decided? She decided to narrate a story which was about kindness, which was about politeness towards other. After listening to that story, Sheena had changed her mind and she has changed her behavior for others. And after that only, Sheena helped Mia in her studies, in her homework, and this is how Sheena changed her behavior. So what had happened that Sheena had changed her behavior? The story narrated by her mother about kindness changed Sheena's behavior. So what had happened? The story which was narrated by her mother made about the kindness. The story was about kindness only. So that story which was narrated by her mother changed Sheena's behavior, just because she had learned that with the story, that if we help others, then only others will help us while we are in need. So what do you learn from the story? So what is the moral of the story? What we have learned out of the story is, moral of the story is we should be polite, we should be kind, we should be helpful, and we should have sharing nature. Why we should be kind? We, if we are rude, we are not kind, then others will also have the same behavior with us, they will also behave rudely with us. If we are not helpful, then if some or the other day we are in need, nobody will come to help us. So it is vice versa. If we are kind, if we are helpful, then only others will also be kind with us, and others will also help us in when we are in need. And polite also, if we are using rude word, we are always fighting, we are always ready to fight, we are not having a behavior of sorting out the things, then others will also not sort out things with us, and they will also start fighting with us. So we need to be polite also, and should have sharing nature. Sharing nature is very important. From our early young age, our parents teach us to share the things, like when we are young, then that particular time we are sharing things with our cousins, we are sister and brother also. But when we are out of the house, we have joined the school, we have to share things with lots of people, with the school and class students, like books. Sometimes if we are playing, we need to share the toys also. Sometimes during school, we need to share our stationery also, and sometimes with our friends we share our lunch also. So this is the good habit, to share the things. So this is what is the moral of the story. So now we are done with the chapter. Explanation is done, exercises are done, question answers are done, and the word meaning also done. So you need to go through this chapter again. I'll upload the PDF of chapter explanation also, this exercises also, question answers also, each and everything you will get on the app, that is Snap Homework. Read from there, learn from there, and practice by writing will help you to learn. So do all these things, exercises, question answers and all. That's all for this chapter. Thank you for the class.